Wow, magandang flowers. Tingnan nyo guys, magandang flowers guys. Maganda. Oh, guwapo kay guys, flowers. Na dire din sa kuan guys sa garden. Magandang flowers guys. Na maganda guys, flowers. Magandang flowers dito guys. Maraming flowers guys oh. Vlog lang ko dali guys sa mga flowers. Yeah. Banilan jud ko ninyo guys akong pag-vlog for me. Oh. So guys. Flowers for you. Bye bye guys. God bless all. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.